Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to work on Claude Code agents in the Claude Code. So this is the interface of the Claude Code. I have attached the link in the description to download the Claude desktop application. There is an alternative way to use it from the PowerShell. Just go ahead and install it from here. You can simply type in Claude to open the Claude PowerShell. And I personally like using it like this. So first there is a new model update. I'm just going to go ahead and change it to Opus 4.8. And yeah, set model for Opus 4 and save your default for new session. I want you to check the memory and tell me about. So it will start working on it. And so yeah, right now I'm out of the subscription, but this is how you guys can approach it. And from here, you guys can also include the project, open the folder, and select the project that you want to work on. Ask it to create different agent to audit it. For example, I'm using anti-gravity for it, and it has created different agents which is working on to audit the same project. And this is how it goes. I hope you find this really helpful because you will see that it says I have launched 3 audit subagents to analyze your entire project in parallel. So this is how you guys can do it as well. I hope you see it and learn from it, and see you in the next video. Take care.